you in the club?
Hey guys, it's Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we've got a special video of some Playdough that we picked up so you can make your very own turd nuggets. And as you can see, you can add corn and peanut shapes to your poo, mix and swirl tons of brown. So we're gonna see how close to the real thing this looks. And a bunch of poo is about to come out. Alright, so you get 2 big tubs of poo, and it feels just like Play-Doh actually. And a little yellow thing of poo dough for your corn. And here's where it all happens. You can compress it in there. It's got a peanut shape, your corn shapes on the bottom. So let's get started and see if we can't make a piece of poo. And let the turd building begin. So you got 2 different colors of poo dough. I'm just going to use one solid color for right now. So we'll make a light brown fudge dragon. Alright. So here is our first piece. And it looks pretty close to the real thing. So if you want to prank your friends, this is the gift to give them. Oh, nice juiced up turd nugget. So let me make some corn to go in that, and maybe some peanuts. Alright, the corn's not sticking too well, but let's try it out. Voila! There's 1 piece of corn coming up for our chocolate hot dog. You just set that on top. Alright, 1 more piece of corn to go on our chocolate fountain log. And there it is. It peels out real easy. Slap it on there. And let me make a peanut. We might as well have a peanut in there. For all you peanut lovers out there. I'm not gonna leave you out today. There we go. Give you a nice chocolate raindrop. And there is the perfect peanut. Now I should have done a different color though. Alright, let's make 1 more a different color. So let's set that monster dukester back there. And go ahead and break open the dark side. We're gonna load it up. I'm sure this is what you guys do after eating a McDonald's Happy Meal. And there we go. And voila! Chocolate dessert. Oh man, this thing. It comes out with a lot of this crustacean look. But I think it'll work just fine for us to give it to somebody. Let me compare the 2, because this is one without corn. This is a Burger King Happy Meal. This is what happens after a McDonald's Happy Meal. And I figured we'd try it out with Play-Doh and see how it works. So let's make our next Hershey squirt. And it came out looking just the same. It's just a little bit shinier. Yeah, so Play-Doh will work on this too. So you don't have to have Playdough. All you need is this magical machine for turd nuggets and such. So here's the Playdough without the gloss, and then the glossy. I wonder what these would taste like. If y'all would like us to taste the difference, make sure you hit that like button. Nah, I'm just kidding. But we are about to go test them both out. Alright guys, so we've got one Milky Way, and then we've got our 2 pieces of turd nugget. And we're gonna serve these up for lunch to Tyler and see what he thinks.
Now, I got you an Easter candy surprise.
What's those?
Some Milky Way. You wanna try the other one?
I just tried this one.
You don't want, what's wrong with the other Milky Way?
I want to have some later.
You gonna save it for later?
Yeah, I'm going to save it for later.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it's good.
No, the other one. Does the other one look good?
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like a piece of poo?
I think they are.
Is it doggy poopy?
They're pooky?
Pick it up.
I think, you know what that is?
What is it?
Milky Way.
No, what's the other one?
Dog poopy. That's not chocolate.
Tyler, pull it apart. And there you have it. Playdough is not the breakfast of champions. And if you guys were wondering why we showed you the cupcake tower earlier, it's because we were wanting to know if you'd like us to try to make some poo cupcakes. And if so, make sure you hit that like button. But for more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.